Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome back to Making It Work. I'm Jimmy if you're new here. I got a tool from Topdon.
ARTIDIAG600S giveaway. And I want you guys to win this, and we'll ship it to you within the 48 states for free. If you're outside the 48 states and you'd like it and you're chosen to win, you pay the shipping and I'll send you the tool. Topdon ARTIDIAG600S scan tool. A lot better than a code reader. Not quite a professional level scan tool. It's in between. Handy little tool. Someone's going to win it for free. I'll cover shipping in the 48 states. Let me put in some clips right here. You can see what this tool is capable of. And then at the end, I'll tell you how to enter. Got to be a subscriber to win. Keep that in mind. I'll clear out the registration to me and all, so that for you it'll be ready to go. I appreciate you guys.
This is going to be about the ARTIDIAG600S, a mid-level scan tool with some bi-directional capabilities and reset capabilities and things for maintenance lights and other things. So let's get into it.
Well, while it's plugged into the vehicle, it'll charge the battery that's on board in case you haven't charged it yourself. And it also tells you the status of the vehicle's battery, which is pretty handy. It's rolling through the VINs now to see what it can find. Isuzu, HD Isuzu, 2017 NPR, excellent. I didn't think it would do it, so that's pretty cool. I already read the VIN and it figured out what vehicle it was, but it came up with a little notice that said vehicle model not supported. So I'm going to go into OBD2. MIL on, 5 DTCs. Let's clear these codes. They have been cleared. Handy little tool. Got the old Topdon on here. I'm going to see what he thinks about this. Showing 14.8 volts charging. We're going to auto search the VIN and see what it comes up with. Shouldn't take too long. It's pretty decent time-wise as far as doing that stuff goes. 2010 Dodge Caliber. Now we're going to go in and try to find out what the codes are in the ABS and the check engine. 2010 Caliber 2-liter dual overhead cam VVT gasoline engine. Okay. What I'll do is I'll do a health report. That'll allow it to talk to all the modules that it's able to communicate. And we shall see. It's showing you that it's working. PCM 2 codes, TCM no codes, ABS 1 code. Airbag no codes. Oh, it's looking at more modules. This tool is ABS, TCM, ECM, and airbag, but it looks like it's able to see other modules. I'm going to go back and I'm going to write down the codes from the computer. Now I'm going to have to do a test to see what's going on with the ABS pump, if it's actually getting voltage and just not working or something like along those lines. So we'll pull up some data. I believe that this Topdon ARTIDIAG600S is capable. So we're going to give it a try. All right, I'm going to go to read data stream. I'm going to select all. Okay, break off, break on. It's got lots of good data. See your supply voltage is good. You can bring up your wheel speed sensors on graphing mode, and you can watch your wheel speed sensors. You can also watch your voltage feed. So what I'll do is I'll bring up some of those data PIDs, and we'll drive the car a short distance and see what happens. All right, put this thing in reverse, take it for a drive. Now, since I'm driving, I'm just going to let you guys watch the graph, show you what it does. This is something that usually is reserved for more expensive scan tools. So I'm pretty happy with the fact that it does graphing mode. It's so much easier to catch a problem on graphing mode than it is looking at a data line. So that's your wheel speed. Now I can also go back out of this. I hope the lighting's not too bad for you guys. It's a little bright out. I'm going to go to voltage, and we'll see if anything weird happens with the voltage while we're driving it. Because the code is related to voltage supply, but if you watch the supply voltage, you can see if it drops off. Now the lighting's a little better, but you can see nothing strange happened with that. Voltage looks good, showing good wheel speeds. Now what I'll do is I will clear the fault codes. It may tell me to turn the engine off. Processing. Engine cannot be running. Engine is off, key is on. Clear fault is completed. Now I'll go out to the ECM and I'll clear that code, or PCM. Are you sure? Yes. Clear fault code completed. Now we turn the key off a few seconds to reset the computers. Give it about 5 to 10 seconds. Then you start it back up and those lights should be out. If the fault codes are hard codes or continuous codes, then it will come right back. So I got an ABS light still, but my check engine light went out. So now we'll go back to ABS, make sure we have the same code. Oh, this is BCM. It's got a BCM code too. We'll take a look at that and see what that one is. I didn't think this was able to communicate with those, but we will try it. Anti-lock brake pump motor supply, low voltage. So this thing has an ABS problem. All right, another handy feature of this little scan tool, the ARTIDIAG600S, is When you have your code, if you get this little question mark, you can tap that and it'll take you online and show you what the common failures are. So this doesn't mean you replace parts based on those, but it tells you what your odds are of that being the problem, and it helps you narrow down during your diagnosis. You don't have to chase a bunch of other things, check a bunch of other things. You can go right to the most common failure and check that first by looking at your powers and grounds and things like that.
Well, as you guys can see, using the tool in the shop performed very well. Pretty impressed with the tool. For I believe it's $269. Looks like a real good value to me. I hope you guys liked it too.
Leave a comment down below, and I'll want you guys to win this. And over the weekend, we'll go over the comments. I'll have my wife pick somebody to send it to. She'll probably have a random number. She'll pick something like that.
So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Torque the like button down at the bottom of the screen for me. I'd really appreciate that. Maybe subscribe if you want to see more tool review videos, some automotive repair videos, and videos where I combine the two. You guys are awesome. I'll see you in the next video.